Hey guys, welcome to today's video. On this video, we're going to be talking about vocabulary. We're going to be covering vocabulary about robotics and electronic publishing. Okay, that is going to be the context of today's video. And so, sorry, to start off, we're going to be working with the first word is going to be robotics. What is this? Basically, is the branch of technology that deals with the design, construction, operation, and application of robots. Okay, plain and simple. Autonomous. If remember, we're talking about robots. Okay, robotics. Autonomous. It's operating without the help from humans. So an autonomous robot means it can operate on its own. Okay, without the help from any human being, basically. Serial robot, what is this? A robot that consists of a single series of linked joints. What's a joint? We're going to explain that in a moment. But basically, a serial robot, it's only a single series of linked joints. Okay? Manipulator, basically, this is the arm of a robot. Okay, that's a manipulator. Joint, what is a joint? The places where parts of the robot connects. Okay, so think of your arm as well. For example, we have joints. Humans have joints. It's a place where our bones connect. So maybe if you look here, the elbow, this is a joint. We can do this movement. That's a joint. Okay. End effector, the hand or tool at the end of a robot's manipulator. What is the manipulator? Remember, the arm of a robot. Okay. Enabling device. What is this? The user activates the device, allowing for the robot and machinery to move. When deactivated, motion is stopped, preventing harmful situations. Okay, so basically, the person who's going to operate this robot has to enable this device, and then the robot is going to move. If you enable it, then the robot is going to stop functioning. Okay, it's not going to move. Uh, Pendant, what is this? Device used to control and guide a robot's movement. Basically, think of like a remote. Okay, that's it. That's a pendant. Actuator, what is this? A piece of equipment that makes a robot move. Remember, all of these are components. Okay, so the actuators, that's a piece of equipment that makes the robot move. Drive power, what is this? That's the energy that makes a robot move. It's different. Remember, the actuator, it's a piece of equipment. The drive power is the energy. Okay? And a dynamic model, basically, that's a prototype. Okay? When you are building, I don't know, robots, you want to first create a dynamic model. What is this? A prototype. Okay? That's it. Next, we're going to be discussing about electronic publishing. What is this? Publishing, remember, publishing refers to books, okay? Publication, books or magazines produced by a publishing company. I don't know, for example, a lot of the books we use at the UTL, they are from a specific publishing company, okay? So all of the books are published under that publishing company's name, okay? Basically, that's it. Upload, remember, upload, real simple, to make data available online. So when you upload a picture to your Facebook, your Instagram, anything, that data is going to be available. Okay? Even if you set it up as private or something, however, it's still going to be available. You just modify who's able to view that file and who's not. But that information is going to be available until you delete that information, of course. Download, real simple. What is to download? To transfer info. This is a real basic definition. Transfer info from internet to any device. Well, basically electronic device. I don't know. When you buy a new cell phone, you want to download apps. I don't know, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Spotify. You have to download those apps. How do you download those apps? You go to either the App Store or on the iOS. I believe it's called the App Store is for iOS, for iPhone. The Android, it's a Google Play Store or something. Offline. Remember, online is when you are internet, when you have a connection to internet. Offline, it's the opposite. Offline means being available without internet connection. I don't know, when you guys are working on Google Drive, you can create Google Sheets. Those sheets, like an Excel file, you can make them available offline. Okay, that's it. Basically, offline, any data that is going to be available without an internet connection. Okay, ergonomic. This is designed to prevent injury. Okay, that is something ergonomic. When anything, I don't know, for example, like this, we have ergonomic types of device. So basically, the design is going to change. However, it's going to be designed to prevent injury. Okay. Reflow, what is this? Reflow in word processing. The action of rearranging text on a page after having changed such features as type size, line length, and spacing. Okay, so basically, guys, this is when you are browsing the web. Okay, let's imagine you are browsing the web, anything. Matter of fact, let me give you an example real quick. For example, when we go to our classroom, okay, this is the full size view. This is my full screen. If I do this, look, now it's smaller. However, this is the reflow, okay? This is going to be adjusted to my size screen. Look, okay? So basically that is a reflow. How the text is going to rearrange for the screen in that position, okay? Basically that's a reflow, real simple. Give me just a minute. Let me go back to the presentation real quick. Okay, and what is this? Active matrix display. This is just a type of screen that can display a very clear image. I don't know if you guys know like the AMOLED display on some cell phones, the full HD display on some computers. So all of those are just types of screen. What's a screen? Remember, this is the screen. For example, on my cell phone, this part, this is my screen. Okay. Um, Let me check what else. Give me just a minute. Next, we're going to continue with sub-pixel rendering. What is this? This is real simple. Let's just look at this in a real simple way. This is a process that improves clarity on the screen or pictures. Okay, that's it. A process that is going to improve clarity on a file or video. Okay, that's it. Black and white. Well, real simple. Black and white. The color black and the color white. I don't know, shades of gray, for example. Bitmapped graphics. A bitmap graphic is a digital image in which every pixel is represented by a set number of bits. Okay, that's a bitmap graphic. System requirements. I don't know. For example, the people who likes to play video games. Okay, if you buy a computer and let's imagine you want to play FIFA or Grand Theft Auto or Call of Duty or any game basically. So you need to have a specific, I don't know, video card, a specific RAM, specific memory. So basically, those are called system requirements. Okay, depending on the game, it's going to modify or it's going to change what requirements are needed in order to play that video game. Okay, I don't know, another real simple example. If you want to download an app, let's imagine you want to download Facebook. Maybe the app it's going to download, I don't know, maybe 50 megabytes. Okay, 50 megabytes of memory, but you only have 20. Then you don't meet the system requirements, which in this case, it's only going to be memory. Okay, so those are system requirements. Any specific specs, to run a program, app, or game. Okay, real simple. Next one, a PDF reader, a program that opens text documents. Okay, you can download a lot of this online. If you go to Google and you type download a PDF reader, you have a lot of them. I don't know, Phantom PDF. That's one. That's the one that I used. Okay, so what else? And basically, guys, that is going to be, I think, all for today's video. Okay, So remember, if you have any questions or something, please ask your teacher, okay? They are going to be more than happy to help you out, okay? So I will see you then next video, guys. Thank you. Take care.